What's up, guys? Kevin Cage back with another XRP update. If you want daily crypto news, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's dive right into this one. First off, I am well aware that I'm going to have the highest number of dislikes on this video than ever before due to a 50% drop on XRP. I'm right there with you. I'm emotional. It's no fun watching your investment in your portfolio that you've been stacking for 3 to 4 years go from 92 cents on Coinbase weeks ago and then come down to 27 cents. This is part of it, and if anything, this is the disclaimer right here, guys. This is not about saying who is right, who is wrong, who's better than the other, who has more XRP. This is about coming together as a community when we need each other the most. And that is why I'm making this video. I am brain dead right now, and I'm going to do my best to do this video one take, uncut. I'm probably going to say some stupid things, maybe offend some of you, and I do apologize. But I was up until 4 a.m. watching the charts. I witnessed, and we'll go to the daily, I witnessed XRP, that was probably like 45 cents at the time, go all the way down to 30 cents in a matter of hours. I've been monitoring this. I did an hour-long video this morning is a market breakdown for my Patreon supporters, updating them with everything. And remember, there are gaps under the 20-cent region that I've gone through multiple times, and people make fun of me and they insult me, but those gaps will be filled. And is it a coincidence? I don't know, you tell me. But I updated yesterday, and where was it? I updated right here just on my Instagram talking about this. We were at 45 cents. I didn't expect this crash whatsoever. I thought we were going to do a very slow bleed, honestly. Now, if you guys want to follow me there, it's Kevin_Cage official. Now, there's just so many things, and I just want us to come together as a community and understand this is part of the game. This is the shakeout. If you watch the 90s and you understand how the dot-com bubble occurred and you saw the highest levels of institutional accumulation than ever before, this is the same thing. If you don't believe me, that is completely fine. I don't have to, impress you or convince you of anything. I'm in this space, and I'm doing this because I truly enjoy it. And if you're scared, sell. That, this is not financial advice. I'm doing what is best for me. I've been accumulating for 3 to 4 years, and I've already seen enough. I get the gist. I saw, and I watched hundreds of videos. If you watched mine as well, you see the former 8-year SEC chairman laughing and calling XRP a currency. This has all been planned. This is just all a game and a rollout. And then you see all these comments. There's going to be so many bots on Twitter and YouTube comments that are saying, get out. Well, it's a sinking ship. XRP's a scam. It's going to zero. Do not fall for this. This happens every single time. FUD, F-U-D, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, is most powerful when it aligns with the news and people actually believe it. And I said this literally this morning before even the big news came, the big bad news. So always entertain the possibility of massive FUD campaigns and exchanges delisting. How did I know that was going to happen? Because I talk to people. It's obvious, because with this whole security talk, they're going to stop making markets. Do not fear. What happened? So that's 11 a.m. And as I'm recording this, this is at 3:37 p.m. What happened and was just released at 2. This is shared by I Am Legion, guys. And pardon my French up here. This is the great shakeout. And this is an opportunity. You can make the most of life, or you can complain and be a victim. So right here, 2 of the largest trading desks in cryptocurrency altogether have alerted clients that they will stop making markets in XRP. Today is December 23rd. Very, very interesting. Now, just to speed through this, and we have a bunch of more information to cover, guys, I'm going to be all over the place because I have the holidays coming up. I got a bunch of stuff to do around the house. So I'm just trying to get this out, and I'm going to take a few days off if I can. But this is just too much information. I have to get content out because I want you guys to understand what you hold and do not give up. If you decide to, so be it. That is your choice. I respect it. I'm not going anywhere. I've seen too much. There's too much money at play here. All right. So Jump Trading, the secretive Chicago-based high-frequency trader, and Mike Novogratz's Galaxy Digital have stopped making markets in XRP. Hence, less liquidity. You could validate and call, the reason for the price drop. At the end of the day, the chart's going to do what it's going to do. So after the SEC filed a lawsuit against the company Ripple, according to sources, Jump Trading is one of the most active firms in the crypto market and is known for providing liquidity to exchanges. The firm is also known for its secrecy. It reveals the little information on its website, aside from where its offices are located. Galaxy is another prominent crypto market maker operating a desk that saw volumes top 1.4 billion in the third quarter. According to the 3 industry sources, Jump told counterparties it would no longer provide liquidity for XRP. A spokeswoman for Jump Trading declined to comment. This is big. There's going to be many that follow suit as well. So pay close attention to this. Guys, remember, Tether artificially propping this market up. $80 billion. You don't believe that. You guys criticize we criticize the Fed, but then they do the same thing for Bitcoin's price. If Bitcoin comes down, it's going to pull the rest of the market down as well. But just understand, that was just a bull trap. The real stuff is coming. So if this is just another cup that's going to be formed, it will be game time. So understand, this, in my opinion, is going to be one of the final shakeouts. If you don't think it's pretty odd how all of this is orchestrated at end of year and time and before a new administration, I think you have to pay closer attention, because this space is very, very manipulative and very interesting. And one thing I want to make known to anybody, a newcomer, a noob, a newbie, is this. I wish newcomers, if you just got an XRP in the last 6 months, I wish you realized that anytime the price is down, the fundamentals of XRP still exist. They're stronger than ever. The price does not determine that. And I've seen random scam coins and random ICOs in 2017 do 1000% returns in a day, in a week. And that does not make that coin better than XRP based off of price performance. And this is what you have to understand. Those that understand and hold are going to be the most rewarded in the end. People, we witnessed XRP at half a penny in 2017. Literally half a penny. And what happened? Everyone was fearful. It did a massive crash and it took off again. And what did we do? And that was like a 5,000% return. Then we did it again and that was like a 1,500% return all the way to almost $4. It happens time and time again. And remember, all of you, I saw comments and I love you guys. I saw some fun comments, smiley faces, all this saying this. Man, if XRP's price does go lower, I'm buying it up. I'm excited. I'm a dollar cost average. Well, the time is now. So who is going to do it? Because saying it and doing it are two different things, and I'm right there with you. It's not easy. It's fun talking about it. When we're at 75 cents XRP, we have the euphoria. We say, yep, man, we go down to 45 cents, I'm buying it. Oh yeah, 20 cents, I'm buying it. But doing it is a very different thing. And I guarantee this, and this is not financial advice, but I guarantee it is my own opinion. And keep in mind, I'm an idiot. We'll see. I believe in the next 6 months, in the next year, we will never be seeing these prices ever again. This is one of the final opportunities, and this goes in line with all of crypto. And if you think that this SEC news is only bad for XRP, you have something in for you, because this is affecting the whole crypto space. But this chaos is necessary now to bring the order that is coming. Keep that in mind. Stay confident. Know what you hold. I know I sound like a little cheerleader here, but if I can literally just give anybody confidence to do their own research and make their own decision, it's going to be worth it to me, and that's a win. So, wanted to talk about this. Get ready for even more FUD. There's going to be, so we have the security narrative. We have exchanges delisting. Get ready for the craziest stuff we can imagine. There's no point in even speculating or guessing, because what will happen will happen. All I'm saying is, if you study the charts and you understand the algorithm, it's not just one drop. They come in several, 2, 3, even 4 drops. So keep that in mind. So was this 2 drops or 1? You tell me. We have gaps under 20 cents. You guys can go back to different time frames. I found some on Poloniex if you know how to look for gaps. They have not been filled. There's some levels that have not been retested and people ignore it. And I don't know why. I know everybody was, bullish and screaming, but this is why, guys. And I know some of you might hate me, but this is why I talk about both scenarios. I never tell anyone this is the bottom. No, you do not know that. Especially when there were gaps that are not filled. And 99% of all gaps get filled. There's some on XLM that are significantly lower, and I will be scooping them up. If that actually comes to play, that will be such a blessing in disguise for me. And stay strong. I have, a huge amount of XRP that are down. Not down, because obviously my DCA is lower, but I'm saying compared to when it was at 50 cents, stay strong and understand this is temporary. Some of us have been here 3 years, 4 years. Some people have been here, 5 years. I can't even fathom that, because I'm obsessed with this and I live and breathe it. All I'm saying is know what you hold. If you've watched hundreds of videos on actual research and sharpening your sword and sharpening your knowledge of this technology and ecosystem and understanding what's being displaced, you should not be fretting. I know some people have steel hands in this community. Stay strong and keep the other people strong. There's people that are going to sell at, a loss and then buy back when it goes back up. Don't do that. Now, of course, maybe we bounce here. But all I'm saying is, as I shared on Instagram, and I put I want you guys to read all of this. And I say this with love, but this is the way I see things. And I'm very cautious on telling people, my true market views. That's why I do it on Patreon. But man, because people attack, they get so angry if you believe something that they don't. It's crazy, but I'm right there with you. I want us to moon ASAP, and it does not change my price targets of XRP flying past $10 to $15, going to $50 in the future. It does not change that one bit, and you're going to see. All right, so let me speed through this. You're going to see so much FUD. You're going to see bots on Twitter going on and on and on about this. You're going to see like this guy, XRPer. Okay, some XRP supporter you are. He goes, give it a break, bud. It's gone. Just talking about XRP. There's no future. Okay, because this one SEC thing, even though that's literally for earlier things in EOS, like, you know what? You, bud, let's see what happens in 1 year. Tell me that. And the same thing happened in March 2020 when XRP was at 12 cents. This happens every single time. I roll my eyes. Guys, XRP was at half a penny. So just relax, know what you hold. This is the beginning. Right here, I don't care if you're bullish or bearish. What we can agree on today is the current price is nothing more than a distraction. We've not seen anything yet. Do not, act out of emotion, selling out of fear, or FOMOing into any asset for that matter. This is going to be an asset class that swallows all other asset classes. It's going to process everything. Please, guys, stay strong. You don't have to agree with me on everything. That's fine. We all have to have different thoughts. That makes things interesting. Because I do not have a crystal ball, and neither do you. What we can agree on, though, is that there is something very fishy going on. Next, look at this. I mean, these Bitcoin maxis just keep spamming my feed with anything. And I guarantee you, we go back up to 40, 45 cents, everyone's going to be happy again. And it's, we're just emotional creatures. Don't fall for the stuff. Stay strong and understand where the markets go. When in doubt, zoom out. Look at the fib targets. All right, XRP is dead. We're going to get all these things. So these Bitcoin maxis attacking when the project's down. And they follow me. That's the weirdest thing. Like, there's so many Bitcoin lovers that hate XRP. They still follow me. And they just wait to attack. You got a mental illness if you follow someone you don't like on social media. All right, XRP's dead 100 times, guys, and there is potentially one final cup in 2021. It's game on. So I hope this is bottomed out in a matter of weeks, if not maybe 2 months, and it's game on. That is the way I see things. Right here, guys. This was such peculiar timing. So the SEC and Tyrion, TNT, one of Tika Tawari's coins. You guys remember it having a massive dump? Like it's 99% or 98% down from its all-time high. And they just reached a settlement and received a waiver from the SEC in connection with the company sale of TNT in 2017. And now they're essentially saying that the network is being paused permanently. They're starting a new network, talking about the Bitcoin, Bitcoin related to it. I know this project pretty well. It's very interesting about verifying data and the truth and reliability of it. And essentially anybody that bought or even holds TNT currently essentially will just get a full refund of everything. So crazy. And it's just very weird timing. This happened, I don't know, 129. So it just happened. All right. We have this guy, and I love this guy. So Equity Capital, who says XRP is not a security? We have Japan's FSA, UK's FSA. I think he mixed those up. The UK, FSB is the Financial Stability Board, but I know the UK has FCA, which is the Financial Conduct Authority. We have the FinCEN. We have former CFTC chairman. We have the former SEC enforcement say XRP is not a security. He called it a currency. We have G20 regulators. What are we waiting for? Are you guys gonna fall for it? As always, we are retail investors. We have to think contrary to what the masses are doing. The masses are fearful and selling. What am I doing? I'm holding strong. All right? There's just so much going on. I know I sound like a lunatic, but so be it. I can't wait for all of it to work out in the future. It's going to take a while, though, and we're going to look like idiots for a little bit. That's just part of the process. All right, right here, guys. XRP Crypto Wolf. We have Coinbase says it now has regulatory approval to list security tokens. What peculiar timing, guys. This is all planned. And I know you can roll your eyes at plans within plans, and there is some level of orchestration here. I don't care if you think, maybe just a little bit or all of it. There's something going on. Right here, XRP is not a security, but either way, Coinbase will not delist it. Interesting. Coinbase, they already knew. That's why they listed it in the past. There's huge games of corporate chess being played right now. Right here, FTX lists Coinbase's pre-IPO futures contracts. Coinbase, Ripple, they have vested interest. We're just watching all of this come together. And then right here, Puerto Rico-based FV Bank gets permission to provide Bitcoin custodial services. Right now, they're trying to chase everybody out of XRP at all-time low, get everybody out, and just put you into Bitcoin. And then if Bitcoin dumps, boom, they got you again. There's people that are, selling, and then they're at, a $10,000 loss, buying back, and then losing again. Do not act out of emotion. I've done that. And that's why I'm saying it with such experience, because I've made those silly, silly mistakes. I've done it, and I'm sure you guys have too. It's just part of the it's part of the process. You get the battle scars. All I'm saying is we're going to watch what happens here. Stay strong. We could bounce. We can keep going. I don't necessarily know. And I want to know what's going to happen. Are there going to be other trading desks that follow suit? I just want people to stay confident. We cannot be attacking each other right now. You don't have to like this video. You don't have to agree with everything I say, but please just be supportive of everybody's decision and inform them. We have to come together. I know Twitter can be very toxic, but we come together and actually share information, constructive criticism, thoughtful debates, mature debates, and information. We are literally going to come together and create something the world has never seen. And the XRP investors in this space, if you're new, you already see how smart they are and how strong they are. They have steel hands. This is creating one of the hardest headed groups of investors I've ever seen. And then they're going to have a bunch of money in the future to play with and eventually learn to really get a portfolio going and really learn to diversify into other markets as well. So stay strong, expect more FUD. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions on the FUD that's coming. So besides exchange delisting, weird regulatory threats, with SEC, what else could potentially scare everybody out? Is there going to be, more geopolitical tension threats? Is there going to be something with Swift and commentary? Are there going to be new competitors for XRP? Because if this is the great shakeout, I think I'd want a little more to really shake people out and have several, because most people are probably doing this. They'll go, ooh, buy the dip, awesome. They bought last night. They thought they were a genius. Oh, buy the dip. It's at 26 cents. They're all going to go in right now, think they're a genius. And if it bounces, awesome. Be smart, take profits, do what you got to do. But if it goes down again, they're like, crap, it just kept getting me. So just be wary of that. There's some levels that have not been retested we have to keep in mind. And all I'm saying is this. Do not sell your XRP. I don't care if you keep buying it, DCA. Obviously, I will be buying if we go under 20 cents. I will be going, all in and start staggering my buys there. What I'm saying is this. Do not sell out of fear. If you see something fundamentally wrong with the project, you do not see them getting traction, you don't see them actually having a chance in the future, yeah, you can sell. I get that. That's your choice. But I've seen way too much, and I think that for me, is the dumbest decision I could ever make, is giving up on my XRP permanently. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. I probably sounded like an idiot. This is what happens when I get 3 hours of sleep. But I wanted to get a video out today to show you guys that I have your back. I'm here, even during the holidays when I have people over. It's super busy. I'll be researching. I'm all about this, guys. I am so hyper with this stuff, and I'm excited. And this is not affecting me one bit. We lived through this. Remember, we're at 26 cents right now. In March, we're at 12 cents. So let's get back to 12 cents if we do. I hope not. But if we do, we're going to be ready for it. Mentally and emotionally. Maybe we just have a higher low in this market and it won't be that bad. Either way, stay strong, know what you hold, and now is the time. We all acted cocky when we were up here. We're all happy. We're at 50 cents, 60 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, saying we're going to buy the dip. Well, now we're here. Are you buying the dip or are you just, freaking out? This is the opportunity. And guess what, guys? Guess what? I don't care if it takes a few weeks or, 3 months to get back into that 50 cent range. We're going to get back up there, and then you double your investment again with anything you put in here. So if you bought at 50 cents, you're buying down here at the 20 cent or 20 cents, 30 cents, your dollar cost average is improving. This is a blessing in disguise. Learn to change your perspective and change your attitude about all of this. Stay positive. No doubt in the future of this ecosystem. This is not financial advice. This is one man's opinion, but if you have not already, go back and watch my videos and understand, and then do your own research and use these as a tool to learn. I'm with you. We're on the same side, and I will see you in the next one.